Doug.
And I'm Kathy.
And this is Maggie Mae. Join us as we follow the moon. Today, we want to take you to an absolutely amazing park. This is an encore park at Sunshine Key, and it's actually located at Big Pine Key, mile marker 39. And we want to take you around the park and let you see all the sights and everything that there is to do here.
Thanks.
Now we're coming out of Marathon Key, heading south here and going across the 7 Mile Bridge. And we want to show it to you this way so you know exactly where the park falls. But that is a map of the park and marina. It's an absolutely amazing park. What a beautiful facility, and the amount of nature that we saw right there in the park.
Oh yeah.
So here we are just coming over into the area where the park is. You can see the RVs there on the right as you come into this key. And again, everything is beautifully landscaped. When you pull in, there is a guard on duty 24/7. So there's no gate codes or anything like that. The office is right there on the left as you pull in. And there's a walkway that goes across in front of the office to the Chevron station. That's also part of the park. And it's a great little convenience store. If you need grocery items, anything, they have it. They've got 5 lanes here that you park while you go back to the office to check in. And then you are escorted to your site. Everything in this park is just done right.
It sure is. And it's so beautiful.
The main roads are paved. Everything else is gravel, but they do 2 different colors of gravel, so it looks like the paved roads going down between the sites. This grassed fence area here along the entry on the right is their dog walk. And we're going to go one complete loop around the outside of the park, and then we'll show you what the spaces look like in the middle. But as you come down along the front edge of the park, you'll come to the first ocean access, and this is their beach area. They got a nice little tiki hut with a couple of picnic tables under it, lounge chairs. You can watch the fish jumping out there. I mean, it's just so peaceful, so beautiful.
That view.
I know. Now we're going to go on from that, and by the way, there are 4 RV sites right there that back up to the water that are right there at the beach. The next section coming along the outside is their tiny home village.
And they're so cute.
They are. They look like Key West, all the colors and everything. They've got their own little tiki hut, their own little beach area there. And then we're coming on around the side of the park here. If I have one negative, and it's just from being in a Class A, it sure would be nice if you could pull your coach in towards the water and have the view.
Oh yeah.
The fifth wheels have the definite advantage with the ocean view because of most of the fifth wheels have the big back windows. In a Class A, you totally lose the view.
Well, you look out across the rest of the park.
There you go. Now, up along the side at the far end of it, there's also another place for ocean access.
Look at that.
There's not a bad spot in the whole park. every site here is a 30-50 amp full hookup. When we were here, which was early December, late November and early December, we were here for a little over 2 weeks, and it was 84 to 87 every day. It would cool off into the upper 70s at night. Not a lot of variation between day and night, and it was warm. So definitely be glad to have 50 amp in all the sites. Now we're coming across the back of the park here, and all of these sites that you see to our right are back in. Again, this is the view you have up on this section of the park. There's a boat out there on the horizon that is beached up on a sandbar or something like that. It looks like a permanent resident. But the ones on the right-hand side around the perimeter are back-end sites. Every other site in the middle is a pull-through. Now, this is at the edge of their marina, and they've got a fish cleaning station there, and you can see the marina, and the marina has a few guests too.
Oh yeah. And they're fast.
They are. This guy was the green and black. I don't know the different varieties of them. He had the spines along the back and around the head.
They pretty much act like they're little brothers.
Mm-hmm, they do. Now, he's going to show us around the edge of the marina over towards Sunset Pier. This is a bigger one. This guy was beautiful.
He found some shade.
Mm-hmm. But this is Sunset Pier, and you can get beautiful sunset pictures or just experience the sunset practically every night over here.
Yeah.
The skies, the water, the colors are just beautiful.
Yes, they are.
And then you throw sunset into it, and
Mm-hmm.
now we're going to come on down along the side. This is the side along the marina. So there are some sites right over here on the right that back up to the marina. And as we're coming up here towards the front of the park, we're going to take you on a little side trip over here to the right. At first glance, when you see this area over here, it looks like it's all boat storage and boat trailer storage. And there is a boat ramp right there on our right. This is their bait and tackle shop. They do have 90 octane recreational fuel there. And I thought I really hit it with the pelicans, but then when you start to see the fish, and then you notice over there laying on his back is this huge manatee. We've seen him a couple of times out around the marina in different spots.
Actually, there's a few of them.
Yeah, there was one that had a couple scars on its back. Now that building there straight ahead of us is the laundry building. And I've never seen a laundry like this in an RV park. This looked like
huge.
A commercial laundromat.
Yeah.
And everything perfectly clean, spotless. Everything in this park was just in the best shape, best condition.
Yes.
And there again is the boat ramp. There's a little picnic area over there on the side. And we're going to leave this area, come back across the front of the park. And you'll see over here on the right the blue privacy fencing. That surrounds a really nice tennis and pickleball court. They're lined off for either.
And this is so beautiful.
Their pool area was gorgeous and very busy. They have this outdoor community room in addition to the blue building there, and whenever the weather's nice, they do all their events out there under the tent. There's basketball, volleyball, nice playground, all in the sand. Amenities are top notch. Now we're going to bring you up here along the front, and we're going to take you back and show you where we're parked, so you can see what the camping spaces are actually like. I will tell you, if you are reserving through the Trails collection through 1000 Trails, you'll be getting one of the interior spots. They do make the elite sites on the outside. Those are just for their, I guess you call them paying guests.
Yeah.
But these sites are actually really, really nice. They're all pull-throughs, and again, all full hookup. I'm bringing you down this way because this is one of 3 bathhouses. Now there's only the one laundry that we showed you earlier, but scattered throughout the campground there are 3 of these bathhouses.
And these are the cleanest.
Oh, I know. They are very, very nice. All clean, all tile.
They look brand new and very modern.
And spotless clean.
Mm-hmm.
So we just looped around the bathhouse there. We're coming back up here to the row in the front. We're just 2 rows up from here. We want to show you our site. They are all canted diagonal, so you're not looking directly in your neighbor's coach. Our rig's 39 foot long. We have plenty of room to park the car behind it. We had neighbors that were in a 5th wheel. They had their dually truck parked there, so you should have no problem getting your rig to fit in any of these sites. The roads are a little tight navigating through them, but nothing bad. Now our campsite, a real nice picnic table included with the site, and the rocks do get a little bit warm, so we've got the rug down. This is the campsite, and if you're a camper and you let your doggy do its business in your campsite, please pick it up.
Absolutely.
But nice modern poles, cable is included, one of those footloose sewer connections. And we wanted to show you what the roof view was. This is what you can actually see from your site. I think we'll have to come back.
Absolutely.
Well, Kathy, what did you think of Sunshine Key?
I absolutely love it.
It is camping on a totally different level when you're camping at the ocean, at the beach, and let alone in the climate of the Keys. We're only 39 miles from mile marker 0 at Key West, and only about 60 miles off of the mainland. So it's an easy park to get to. The only downside with staying in a park like this for most of us is cost. And that's where we came up with the perfect solution, because this is an encore park, and with our Trails Collection Plus, we can book out 90 days in advance. So we can come into a great park like this and it costs us $20 a night. So we probably paid less for 15 days here than most people that come here for 2.
That's right.
So if coming to a place like this and staying within your budget is important to you, then the time is now to give our friends Warren and Sharon Lewis a call, or drop them an email and tell them you want to camp like Follow the Moon. Really nice, but really inexpensive. So with that said, if you enjoyed the video today, please leave us a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so and ring that notification bell. That way you'll know when every one of our videos come out.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.
Thanks for watching today.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.
And be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll know when new videos come out.
Don't forget to follow us on social media too.